So if you want to start trading this year, follow these 7 steps, okay? So let's talk about that right now. So these 7 steps are in sequence, okay? Make sure you follow step by step. Go from number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? The first thing you need to do is get a little notebook, okay? Notebook, memo pad. Then just write down your trading goals. Your short-term goals, medium-term goals, and long-term goals. Short-term meaning like in less than 1 year, within the next few months, what kind of returns do you want to achieve? Medium-term, in the next 1 to 5 years, and beyond 5 years, I would say it's long-term. What do you want to buy? What kind of lifestyle do you want to have? And what do you want to use your trading income for? All those things. I can tell that if you don't have a goal, a proper goal, then when shit gets hard, you're going to quit. If you have a proper goal, okay, written down, then every time you feel like giving up, you will look at it and then be like, I cannot give up. I need to earn money to donate to certain charity, for example, okay? I need to earn a good living from trading so that I can give my parents a good life. Second thing you need to do, decide who you want to learn from. And also decide who is your support group. You can learn from many different sources, right? Books, courses, mentors, seminars, YouTube videos, articles. Nowadays there are online universities, MOOC. I'm going to make another video on that, how to learn trading for free. You can combine everything, like you can read books. At the same time, you can have a mentor. Then comes the support group, okay? Because these people will understand your struggles. These people will speak your language. So number 3 is to start learning, okay? Start learning. And this is the hard part where you should not be rushing, because a lot of people, they rush. I've been learning for 3 months. How come I cannot start trading yet? The typical professional trader takes at least 3 years of training, learning. My finance degree is 3 years, so think about that. There are professional traders who wrote books. It took them 10 years before they became profitable. Learn all this in sequence. Learn the basics of the market that you're trading. Also learn the basic terms and theories. Then study your competition. Who are the market participants? Because if you go into a business and you don't know who's your competition, then there's a bit of issue. You know what I'm saying? A lot of retail traders, they go into trading, they don't understand who are the group of people that are not here to help you. Study your competition, the conflict of interest. Then you study technical analysis. Study all the different techniques, strategies. Then pick those that suit your personality. Then after that, learn fundamental analysis. Okay, no matter if you are a forex trader, stock trader, these macroeconomic factors is going to affect the market that you're trading. After that, learn sentiment, intermarket analysis. You realize that it gets a little bit harder and harder and harder and harder. After that, learn risk management, because you need a strategy so that you can apply your risk management on, you can apply your trading psychology on. After that, learn how to pick a proper broker. Learn the different types of brokers, ECN, STP, market maker, what's the difference? Spend a few weeks choosing a broker, okay? Write down those brokers that you feel you're going to pick, okay? Once you've picked a broker, then you can learn how to use the software. So as a beginner, you can start with MetaTrader 4. If you're a stocks trader, then Interactive Broker. If you're a stock investor, Thinkorswim is a good broker to start. Then learn how to craft a trading journal and trading plan. Right now, you gotta buy your hardware, infrastructure. First thing first, buy a proper computer. Don't buy those cheap ass computer, because like you bought it for a really cheap price, then you'll be like, wow, I got a bargain, but then it doesn't last more than 1 year, then what's the point? To be safe, just buy a laptop that supports gaming. By gaming, I don't mean like solitaire. I mean like a proper game, you know, like GTA 5. If it can support GTF5, it can support any trading software. Then from there, you're gonna test out, is having one screen enough? Or is it very troublesome to keep changing tabs and all that? If it's very troublesome, you wanna add more screens, then decide how many screens you want to have. Some people use 2 or 3. I've seen people who use like 20 screens. I have a friend who used 20 screens. I cannot handle that kind of chaos. For me, at most 3 screens. Maybe for you it's different. Okay, so you decide. Then of course, get a proper phone. I know it's common sense, but get a proper phone, not those cheap, crappy Nokia phone. Your phone, remember, you don't use it to trade. You use it to monitor your trades, your open trades. So you don't need it to be that sophisticated in a way. Once you've gotten your devices, now it's time for your trading desk. How do you want it to be like? What do you want to use as your trading desk? Your bed, your kitchen table, your storeroom. There are people who, decorate it with RGB lights. So if you don't want to be extra like me, just make it simple, like a normal table, okay? Normal table is fine. Then just one laptop. Then you are good to go. Okay, don't need to feel pressured to, oh my god, all these traders have RGB lights. Then have like big monitors. Then have like a custom PC. No need. It depends on you. If decorating it with RGB or lights helps you make trading less boring, then do it. Then number 6, open a demo account with the broker that you've chosen. So you install your software onto your computer, laptop, and then you practice for 6 months. Okay, 6 months. Practice until you become consistently profitable. Once you're profitable after 6 months, then you go to step number 7, which is start with a small live account. I don't care if you're a millionaire, okay? You need to start with a small trading account. And then once you are profitable, then you gradually add money into your account. Gradually make it to 4 figures, then 5 figures, 6 figures, then 7 figures. Then once you're comfortable, you go full-time. So this is the sequence that you should follow. So I hope that this is gonna help you get started properly. And with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.